Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable Windows 10 client license service for Microsoft Store. First method is type services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open Client License Service. Click Start to start the service, click Apply, OK. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, start space, ClipSVC. Type services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Client License Service. Click Dependencies tab. Remote Procedure Call is the dependency services of Client License Service. Open Remote Procedure Call Service. Make sure the service is running. If not running, start the service. Third method is open any browser. Copy link from description and paste it. Click Download. Right-click, click Merge. Click Yes to continue. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type net space start space ClipSVC. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.